Well, we have 2 plus 3 minus 4 times 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5, right? Minus 4 and times 5. Now 5 minus 4 equals 1 times 5. Now 1 times 5 equals 5. But this is not correct. Why? Because multiplication must be done before subtraction and addition, right? So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. So first of all, 4 times 5, right? So 4 times 5 equals 20, right? And minus 3 and plus 2. All right. So now addition and subtraction left to right. So 2 plus 3 equals 5 minus 20. And 5 minus 20 equals minus 15.